So in video clips right here, what you can also do is you can add in titles. So to do that, you need to go around and click on a clip right here. Then over here, you can see that caption text is an option over here. If I were to go around and click on this, then what happens is that I get onto the text edit mode right here, just like this. And what you can do is you can add in a text right here. Let me just go around over here and you can see that this is how you see the text right here. So let's just go around and type in welcome, let's say for example, right here. And what happens is that this is the text. So now you can see that this is how it is actually displayed right here. You can align it out onto the center as well, and you can go around and change up the mode as well. So just like this, you can go around and change this out right here. So let's just go around and select it. And then what you can also do is you can go around onto like vertical text right here and make it out as well. And you can type in the text wherever you want, as you can see. Let me just go around onto the selection right here and delete this. You can also select it, you can resize it and place it wherever you want by clicking and dragging this as well. You can even rotate out the text, as you can see right here, or you can click on align right here. You can bold out the text, you can italicize out the text, you can underline it out or center align it. You can also go around and change out the color of the text as well, just like this. And you can also go around and change around, let's say for example, the font of the text right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So after this, you can go around and you can see that this can be lowered. Let's say for example, let me just go around and type in welcome right here, just like this. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now, if I were to go around onto style, then there's different styles that you can select from as well, that you can apply with one click right here. So there's different styles of text that you can select from. And once you click on it, they're applied in one go. You can also go to animation right here, and there's different sort of animations of text that you can add in, as you can see right here. So you can go around and apply it out right here as well. So let's just go around right here and apply it out right here onto the text right here. And you can also bring in different shapes right here. So you can go around and add in this shape right here, this shape right here, and choose around the color of the shape over here, just like this as well. And you can also go around and bring these in as you like right here. And let me just go around and delete it. And in the style, you can also go around and then let's just go around and select this out, go to style and apply this particular effect right here, just like this. And that is what you have. So if I were to go around over here from the beginning right here, then you can see that this is what you have. This is the text that you have right here. And there's this animation applied to it as well, as you can see, just like this. So from the timeline, you can see that this is what you have right here. And that is how you can go around and add in titles and text inside of quick edit mode inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.